I've got a few woodies, Stabilo Woodies 3-in-1. I've got a Nero Soft Krita color, and I've got this Pilot G-Tech C4, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that one. So I'm just going to scribble a few lines, and now I'm going to take a little bit of my glaze medium and I'm just going to go over all of this. Maybe I must take a brush. Let me just get a brush. This is just to create a nice background for you to paint on, especially if you've got a big canvas and you're not sure what to do. So I'm just going to break this up a little bit. I decided I'm going to drip in a little bit of alcohol just to see what it does on the glaze. I haven't tried this before. Maybe it doesn't do anything, but it's okay. It's not looking as if it's doing anything. I've just put on a little bit of gesso, but I think clear gesso will actually look better. But what you can also do is you can scrape into this now. So I'm just going to get my scraper. This is just I think to put tiles against the wall. So I'm just going to scrape into this quickly. And then I'm just going to leave it to dry.